Welcome to day 4 of our CAPCUT beginner series. Yesterday we learned transitions. Today I will show you how to add text and titles to your video. Text and titles that grab attention. So if you are ready, let's dive. Step 1. Open CAPCUT and import your video like before. Select your video, then click on Add. We are still on step 1. Click on the text icon below. Step 2. Select Add Text. Then, type your message, maybe your video title. Step 3. Here you are going to customize your text. This part is fun. So you are going to use the Style tab to change the font, color, add shadow, add background, etc. Let's do that. Tap on the Style icon. Then choose your font. That is the alphabet styles. Just select any one of your choice. Then you can change your text color. Below are the colors. Select any color you like. You can as well add background to your text by tapping on the background icon. Then select the shape of background you want. CAPCUT has only 2 background designs. Select any one from the 2. Next, select your background color. Step 4. You are going to add animation to your text. Click on the animation tab. Here we have different animations, in, out, or loop. The in animation shows how you want your text to appear on the screen, and the out animation is how you want the text to disappear from the screen. Now let's add the in animation. These are the different styles you can select from. Once done, click on the check mark to add. Now let's add the out animation. Just tap out and then select your animation. CAPCUT has a bunch of them. And finally, step 5. Adjust the animation duration, both the in and out if you want. Using this icon below, the in and out button, you can drag it backward or forward. Once you are done selecting, click on the check mark. And don't forget to adjust your text box. You can resize and move it to any position you want. Now let's play the video. Tap the play button. And that's it. Easy peasy. And that's it. You just learned how to add text like a pro. Follow me for day 5. We will add music and sound effects next to bring your edits to life. So don't miss it. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and also leave your comment in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye.